Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have an amazing new DIY that you can recreate for yourself. It's simple, affordable, and easy to remake. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For my first DIY, I'm going to be using these clear pins from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to remove all of the working parts from the pin and just using the clear body. Next, I'll be using these skewers from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting them in half and painting them black. I'm going to be adding some of the Dollar Tree diamond vase filler in between each of the skewers. Right here, I'm just taking 3 of the pins and placing them in between 2 of the panels that we just created, and then I'm going to just continue that pattern. Now that I have them all lined up, I'm going to push the center pin down, creating a up-down pattern, and then hot glue them into place. I'm going to take this piece of floor foam from a previous project and hot glue it to a piece of foam board that I cut out. I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree glass mirror frames. I'm so sorry guys, I know that you can't find these anymore, but if I can find something similar on Amazon, I'm going to link it below. What I've done here is just taken the mirror apart, and I'm going to be using the long pieces for this project. Right here, I'm just using a piece of bling strip that I picked up from Amazon, and I just cut it into smaller pieces. Right here, you see me touching up the foam board with some gray paint. And so here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. I'll be back on Tuesday at 6 p.m. so be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.